Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Bhagat, and you are watching video lecture on Population Dynamics Lesson 2. In the last video lecture, we have discussed learning objective of this chapter and introduction of the population dynamics. What is population dynamics? And what is the all over world population according to 2017 data? As you know that in the 2021 data, we have 7.9 billions of the population and the growing population, about growing population of the world, some sorts of data about population density, what is population density and all about. This is the picture of population, human population in the world. So today we are going to discuss three types of population density. One is densely populated, highly densely populated area. Second is moderate density of population, and third one is sparse. That means low density of population. So, dear students, look at this picture. Look at this map. Yellow in color, the dark shade of the green, and some gray area is sparsely populated. So, in this map, we can easily see the moderate population density. Densely populated area means high density of population and a sparse density of population. So, dear students, we are going to discuss this is current data where the population rises like this data. Now, area of highly densely populated. As you know that Asia is the finest shelter of human being, and because there is so many plain area, rivers plain, that's why it is the hub of human population. One fourth of the world population found in Asia, especially China and India. After that, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all are rich in population because this is the area where plain area is found. That means the primary occupation, that means agriculture, is happening in this area very easily, so people can easily want to live here. Okay, in Europe, there is the industrial revolution. The northwest part of the Europe, like France, UK, Germany, Denmark, is heavily populated because of the industrialization of this area. So one ninth of the share of the world population is Europe and in this part. Population through it occupies the 1/25th of the land area of the world, being second smallest continent after Australia. What is about North America and South America? It is concentrated as a fertile lands like Mexico, US, Brazil is a frigid climate region, North South America. And in Africa, we have Nile Rivers Valley area, Mediterranean coastal area, and the Guyana coast area. This is the coastal South African area. This part is hub of the population because it is concentrated as the what primary sectors of the occupation, that means agriculture. Now moderate population. Central part of the USA, as you have seen in the very earlier in this map, Russia, Eastern Europe, Deccan Plateau, India, Central China, all these are the moderate density of population. Area of the lowest density. These are all parts of the deserted area. Is the low density area. That means any hilly area, deserted area, if you don't have access of your livelihood, it is difficult to live there. So in a desert area, definitely Mongolia is the deserted area. So and Iceland is the cold deserted area. Suriname, Botswana, Zambia, northern Canada, Australian some part of the poor density of population, vast stressed deserted area, which is definitely inaccessible interior known as outbacks. That means people don't want to live there. So this is the low density of the population area. Look at this picture. This is the green in color, densely populated area. These all are the place where occupation of the this is the coastal plain area, coastal plain area. This is the Gangetic plain area. So the people want to live there. This is also densely populated area of the Europe and the Asia. We have the moderate density of population yellow in color. So most of the part is the more moderately populated area. That means moderate density of population. And look at this. This is the sparsely. This is the desert area of Australia. This is Mongolian area. Mongolian area. This is Atacama Desert. This is Kalahari Desert. This is sorry Sahara Desert. This is Kalahari Desert area, Namibian area. This is the cold desert area of Canada. This is the Greenland cold deserted area. Russia, Russian parts, the Siberian parts is also deserted area. So definitely it is sparsely populated. The fresh world population density map is like that. Concentration of population in India, China, as you know that. The Nile rivers, look at this Nile river valleys. And this is the part of some part of Europe, like UK. UK here is UK, Germany, France, Denmark. This is the favorite for the population. Look at this area. This is the cold desert area, so people don't want to live there. And this is also deserted part, Atacama desert part, so people don't want to live there. Australian part is population density obviously low, but the desert part is very minuscule of the population. So population density is defined distribution of the population density in the world is like that. I hope it is clear, dear students. In the next video, we are going to discuss overpopulation, what is the reason behind it, and what is the measure we have to take in to mitigate the population, high population density. So thank you so much